Can you guess which animal has these eyes? Correct. These fierce eyes belong to a tiger. Look closely. Whose eyes are these? Nice one. Those stripe-loving eyes are from a zebra. Now guess this one. Good spotting. These unique eyes belong to a chameleon. Sharp stare. Which animal is it? Sharp guess. Of course those bright eyes are from a cat. Take a good look. Which animal has these eyes? Well done. This is an elephant. A tricky one. Which animal has eyes like this? Great. Those desert eyes are from a camel. Which animal has these eyes? Correct again. Those beautiful eyes belong to a horse. Another mystery pair of eyes. Which animal is it? Great job! Those eyes belong to a giraffe. Can you identify this animal by its eyes? Nice guess. Those playful eyes are from a monkey. Look closely. Whose eyes are these? These speedy eyes belong to a cheetah. These eyes are watching you. Who do they belong to? Of course, these loyal eyes are from a dog. Look closely. Who owns these eyes? Correct. Those big round eyes belong to a frog. Can you guess this animal? Good job. These tiny bright eyes are from a squirrel. Now try to guess this animal by its eyes. Exactly. Those soft eyes belong to a rabbit. These eyes are pretty unique. Do you know the animal? Perfect. The king's eyes belong to a lion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.